to change the oil in the Peterbilt and go get a 7 brew, and we also have to pick up some oil from Sam's Club. So,
We're going to Dutch Brothers.
Oh, we're going to Dutch Brothers, my bad. My husband's bougie. So come along with us. Little hurricane truck. I'm surprised it doesn't have the watermelon lights in the visor.
It does.
Oh, it does.
So ugly.
That's so funny. Yummy. Bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle slap. We're going to the new Dutch Brothers that just opened in Joplin like a week ago. So if anyone has any good drink recommendations for Dutch Brothers that's sugar-free, leave them in the comments. I like a lot of coffee and sugar-free options, so let your girl know. So there is the sugar-free at 911 with sugar-free caramel drizzle and 7 shots. Oh, that's good. It's good. You look good in that hat, baby. If you guys want to pick up one of these Peterbilt hats, you can check out my showcase. I've got them all linked. They are awesome little flat bills, and he loves it. Changing the oil on the Peterbilt. We just get our oil from Sam's, we get our filters from Fleet Pride, and then we have this oil drain pan. And then we just changed the oil in the Peterbilt. The hubby wanted me to put this oil stabilizer in, so that's what I did. It took forever, but I always enjoy spending time with him, no matter what it is we're doing. Tank had to come and supervise us, and then our daughter Ella came out to watch what we were doing. She loves to watch us work on the truck. I think we might have a future trucker in the making. She loves Daddy's big truck. Not to mention she's super strong. She picked up both jugs of oil and stabilizer. And then we finished up putting the oil in the truck, and I had to run to Walmart and get some groceries for dinner. The hubby said he wanted some chicken pot pie bake, so I found a recipe on TikTok and made it. It turned out absolutely delicious. And I also stopped by Dutch Brothers and got something called a Dinosaur Egg Rebel. It's an energy drink with white chocolate, almond drizzle, blue raspberry, and cream in it. And oh my god, it was delicious, you guys. Highly recommend. And that is it for my video. Bye.